Hello everyone, we're gonna quickly walk through on how to use DarwinAI by Outread. Now, DarwinAI's primary purpose is to give you the most relevant research papers, along with a research summary that directly correlates and answers your query here. Now, I've already pre-entered a query here just to save time, but before we click on the search button, there are a few other settings that are super important to getting the results that you want. Now, if you click on the Show Advanced Data Extraction here, the first thing you will realize is the papers to analyze. Now, this essentially dictates on how many papers DarwinAI will provide in the research table, and how many papers will be looked at to formulate your answer. Now, this number can be from anywhere from 1 paper all the way to 100 papers. Let's keep it at 10 papers, as that is a good medium. Now, the next thing here is the data extraction fields. Now, for example, for this query here, I want to look at the geography. So in the column name, we can simply dictate what are we extracting, and then in the second input for what to extract is, as it says, what do you want to extract from these papers. So for this column, I want to extract what is the geographical region paper focuses on. Now, in my opinion, this query leaves a lot to be desired, and it could be a lot more specific. So for that reason, we have added an improve button here that you can click, which essentially gives you an AI suggestion prompt. Now, you can keep the original if that is a bit more specific to what exactly you want to extract, or you can use the AI suggestion and simply click on this green button here. Now we can quickly click on add field button over here, and as you can see, this adds this field, which will essentially be added to the research table when we click on search. Now we also have some quick add comment fields that we see our users tend to extract for a lot. So we can also just add the methodology, for example. Now we can click on the search button over here, and it should take about a few minutes for DarwinAI to give us our results. Okay, so it seems like DarwinAI has come back with its results. So the first thing you will realize is the research summary up top. This essentially gives you a direct answer to your research query that you entered before. It also comes with inline citations, so when you click on that number there, it will take you directly to the research paper that this fact was taken from, so you can cross-reference between back and forth. Now, another key feature is the export PDF on the top right. This will essentially give you a PDF document that will include the research summary along with the research papers table down here. Now, if you move down to the research papers table, there's a few predetermined fields that will always be extracted. This includes the title and abstract, the key terms match, authors, year, citations, relevance. We can also click on show more to see the entirety of the abstract. So geography was our data extracted field, and if you click on the extracted field like so, it will show you exactly where that claim was taken from in the extract of the research paper. So the highlighted part is the text where the claim was taken from, as you can see. It also provides you with an explanation, so that basically justifies on why this was picked up. The key terms match is essentially some key terms that our AI has picked up from your research query, which essentially just allows the user to quickly pick up what research papers to delve into and which ones to not. The relevance score is similar. It essentially looks at the entirety of the paper and sees how relevant it was to answering the user's query. And that pretty much covers everything for DarwinAI. Thank you.